Rant maker, make me a rant. Make me an oatmeal rant. Hey everybody, how's it going? You probably know this is my new web series, Oatmeal Rants, in which I have my morning oatmeal. Excuse me. With my morning coffee. Let off on a little rant, let off a little steam, you know? As you heard up top, I've got a new theme song, which I hope you enjoyed. Previous rants have been about such topics as how you go into some places expecting just to use their Wi-Fi. It turns out I don't even have a good Wi-Fi connection there. Dust. Forgetting to get cinnamon for my oatmeal. So you get the idea. Today's rant is about this food truck near where I work. I won't say the name. I go there hoping to get a cheesesteak. You know, I ordered a cheesesteak. And I look at the side of the truck and I see a picture of fries. You know, I say, alright, you know what? I'll shell out. You know, I like fries. You know. And I'll have a set of fries, you know. Alright. I'm watching the guy make the sandwich and I notice that he doesn't seem to be making the fries. So I say to myself, alright, well, he's got his process, you know, eventually he'll make the fries probably. At the end, he hands me a sandwich. That's it. I said, I ordered fries. He shakes his head. No fries. Okay. There's a photo of fries on the truck alongside the other food items. Suggests to me that that's one of the food items that you could buy there. So I had to go without fries. Alright. Not a big deal. But and probably healthier. Alright, okay. And I spent a little less money. Alright, okay. But it's kind of weird. You know, false advertisement on this truck. You know, if you don't, maybe one time in the past he offered these fries. When he stopped, he should have drawn an X through it. He should have drawn an X. I don't offer fries. You know. All right, so that was my rant for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon.